Greetings, my name is Virgil Knedlik. I am a CPA in Renton, Washington, and I would like to welcome you to this tax newsletter video.
1 week from today is April 18th, which is when most 2010 tax returns are due. What should you do if you will not be able to get your tax return completed by April 18th? You will need to file an extension. Now, a number of people have a misconception that the extension postpones the payment date, and this is incorrect. The extension is for the filing date. If there's money owed, the IRS will start charging penalties and interest from April 18th on till the date that you actually pay the taxes. So if you have a balance due, you should pay that if possible, even if you file an extension. If you have your tax return complete, but you're not going to be able to pay the taxes in full, I suggest that you go ahead and file the tax return and pay as much as you can at this time. What's going to happen is 30 days after you file the return, or thereabouts, the IRS will send you a letter kind of questioning, saying, we received your return, but it seems that you owe us some money. And this process will continue every month for up until about October. And each letter will get a little more aggressive. My suggestion is every time you receive a letter, send the money, send them as much as you can, with the goal of trying to get it paid off before September or October. If you're not able to pay off your taxes by that time, then we'll actually have to contact the IRS and set up a payment plan. Now, the worst thing you can do is to file neither the tax return nor an extension, particularly if you owe the IRS some money. And the reason for that is there is a 25% failure to file penalty, 5% a month up to a maximum of 25%, in addition to the underpayment penalties, the late payment penalties, and the interest that the IRS charges. So at a minimum, you're going to want to file an extension even if you don't file the tax return. April 18th is also the date that the first estimated tax payment for 2011 is due. I have a lot of clients each year that asks me the same question: why do I have to prepay my taxes? Aren't taxes due on April 15th? The answer is no. The tax return is due on April 15th, but the taxes are due throughout the year. Now, when you're working for someone else and are being paid wages, every time you get paid, the IRS gets paid. Now, for people that have income that is exempt from withholding, business income, interest, dividends, capital gains, rental, gambling, and the list goes on, these people are not required to pay monthly, but they are required to make 4 payments a year to the IRS. And those payments are due on the 15th day of the 4th month, the 6th month, the 9th month, and the 13th month, which means they're due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. If you are going to need some help getting an extension together before the 18th of April, please give us a call. We're here to help you. If you find that you need to set up a payment plan with the IRS because you're not going to be able to fully pay your taxes, again, give us a call. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have, please forward it to your friends, family, business associates. As you have found it helpful, they probably will too.
This brings us to the end of this tax newsletter video. I hope the information we have provided will help you run a successful business, better understand the tax laws and regulations, or minimize your tax obligation. If we can assist you in any way, please contact us. This is Virgil Knedlik wishing you a very bright and prosperous future.